In this video, I will show you how to enable HDMI CEC on your Samsung Smart TV. And to do this, you want to come over to your remote control and then use the navigation buttons over here to just navigate to the left hand side on your Samsung Smart TV until you get to the settings icon, which is the gear icon over there. Go ahead and select it just like so. And from here, you want to scroll down again until you get to general. So go to general settings, go ahead and select general. And then from general, you want to scroll down again until you get to external device manager. Click on that, and now you're going to see the AnyNet option, which is basically the HDMI CEC as Samsung Smart TV would call it. So you want to make sure that this is actually turned on. So once you press on the select button on your remote control, HDMI CEC will be turned on for your Samsung Smart TV. Now that is basically how to turn on HDMI CEC. So go ahead and connect your HDMI device. It should be able to work for that particular HDMI device that is connected to your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.